How you can add and embed a Google form on your Canva website. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add and embed a Google form in Canva website. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing first, you need to go to your browser, and once in the browser, you need to type Google Forms. Now that you have your form ready, you need to go ahead and click on the link option right here. Now that the link has been copied, you need to go ahead and open canva.com. Once you're in the Canva, simply go ahead and click on Create a Design. From here, you can choose any design that you want to embed the Google form to. Let's say I want to choose this one. If you want to embed your Google form to your presentation or any Canva document, you need to simply go ahead and in the left side, you need to scroll until you find the apps option. Click on it, and in the Canva apps, you need to go ahead and search for Embed. Then you need to click on OK. There are several apps over here. You need to simply go ahead and click on the first one that says Embed. Then you need to click on Open. Once you are here, you need to simply paste the link that you have copied before, and you need to click on Add to Design. As you can see that your form has been added to your design, and that's it. You now know how to embed Google Form on your Canva design. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.